Hi, and welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript function that processes a sentence and picks a single character from every word. The last character if the word length is even, or the middle character if the word length is odd. This is a fun little text processing task that helps you practice string methods, splitting, which is tokenization, and array mapping. I'll show you a robust version that trims white space, handles multiple spaces, and validates input. Let's code it up and walk through a few examples. We'll split the input string by whitespace so multiple spaces are handled gracefully. Punctuation that's attached to a word stays attached. That matches the sample behavior where numbers yield. We then map each word to either its last character, if it's even length, or middle character, if it's odd length, and join the results with commas for readability. This version is concise and safe. We validate the input, trim and split on any white spaces, so tabs, extra spaces, etc. are handled. For each word, we compute its length and apply the rule even is last character, odd is middle character. Finally, we return a comma separated string so that it matches the sample output. If you prefer a different output format, where array of characters or without commas, it's easy to change the final join. Splitting with /s plus avoids empty tokens and handles messy spacing. Note, we intentionally treat punctuation as part of the words, because the sample outputs include the dash character from numbers. If you want punctuation removed before processing, we can add a small normalization step. But I left it out to match the examples exactly. This table breaks down exactly why each character was selected. For numbers, the hyphen is included in the word length, so the chosen character is. If you want punctuation removed, the output would change. Useful depending on your use case. While this specific rule is more of a coding puzzle, the pattern, mapping words to representative characters, shows up in lightweight NLP, which is a feature extraction, UI previews, which is a compact display, and creative utilities like generating short mnemonics. It is also a solid small step exercise to practice string splitting and mapping. To wrap up, we've created a clean and robust function that extracts either the last or the middle characters for each word depending on the word length. The implementation is short, easy to read, and matches your sample outputs, which also includes punctuation behavior. If you'd like, I can return an array characters instead of a joint string, strip punctuation before selection, or show an alternate function one-liner version. Which variant would you like? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.